Hello, and welcome again to Exposing Truth Ministry for another health nugget. We will be dealing with something that is very essential. How essential? Stay tuned and you will hear about it. Remember, the information presented have not been verified by the FDA, but they have been approved by your maker and your king. So today, Sister Avia, what's so essential about what you're going to be sharing with us?
You will find out what is very essential when I'm done sharing. All right, so today we will be talking about the benefits of essential oils. Before I get into that, I want to talk about what the word says about our health. It says, "Beloved, I wish above all things that thou mayest prosper and be in health, even as thy soul prospereth." So, what are essential oils? These are actually concentrated plant extracts, and they're obtained by a process called distillation, which uses steam or water. Also, they can be extracted by mechanical methods such as cold pressing. And you might not know this, but it takes a significant amount of plant material to make essential oils. And as a result of that, some essential oils are very expensive. Essential oils can be used in aromatherapy. It's a kind of complementary medicine that uses smell to improve your health or applied topically to the skin. So they may help with boosting mood, improving job performance through reduced stress and increased attentiveness, help to improve sleep, kill bacteria, funguses, and viruses, reduce anxiety and pain, reduce inflammation, reduce nausea, relieve headaches. So I'll be looking at a few of them. I mean, I cannot exhaust the list of essential oils that are on the market. I'll be looking at a few of them, and these are some of my favorite ones. So I'll be looking at lavender oil, tea tree oil, peppermint, eucalyptus, and frankincense. So lavender is one that a lot of people find relaxing, and it's often used to help relieve stress, anxiety, and also to promote good sleep. It helps with wound healing. A review of 20 studies found that lavender oil increased the rate of wound healing, promoted the growth of collagen, and boosted the tissue remodeling process of the skin. Also provides relief for eczema, dermatitis, psoriasis, itching, and rashes. Older research has shown that lavender has been used as a traditional remedy for burns. And according to a 2009 study, its antimicrobial activity might also help prevent infections after a burn. Using this oil could also be a gentle way to treat acne due to its ability to kill bacteria. In a 2013 study, a combination of lavender oil and aloe extract effectively inhibited the growth of one bacterial strain that causes acne. Tea tree oil, which is also called melaleuca, was used by Australia's Aboriginals for wound healing. And some of the properties include antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antiparasite. Today we use tea tree oil to treat acne. It is used in the treatment of athlete's foot and ringworm. In a control study, people with nail fungus use straight tea tree oil, that is without the carrier oil, or an antifungal medication for 6 months. At the end of the study, about 60% of people in each group experienced partial or full resolution of the fungus. So you want to use a few drops of the tea tree oil. You can use it alone, or you can mix it with an equal amount of coconut oil and apply it to the affected area. Of course, after you've done that application, you want to wash your hands so you will not spread the fungus to other areas of your body. It's also used to treat and disinfect minor cuts and abrasions. And because of its antibacterial effects, it can also be used underarm to control body odor. So I'm going to show you a picture of my daughter. A few weeks ago, the daycare called to say that she has ringworm. And of course, I didn't want to use over-the-counter drugs. So I started her, one of the things that I started using was the tea tree oil. I did use the oregano as well. This is what it is looking like now after a few weeks. And I must point out really quick, if you are planning to use natural remedies, you must be willing to be patient. It takes patience. It is not an overnight fix. It heals the body, and it does so in a not in a microwave fashion, let me put it that way. But this is what it is. I have she, her skin is not doing anything crazy. It's just a gentle way of treating it and allowing the body to restore itself. So we opted for using this natural way to treat the ringworm. The other oil I want to look at is peppermint. It's another versatile oil. It's right there on par with the lavender oil. It is used to fight fatigue, tension, headaches, to reduce gut spasms, support digestion, support memory, and also to help open your nasal passages to help you breathe easier when you're stuffy. Now, the most active components of peppermint oil are menthol and methone, which are known to reduce pain and to invigorate, energize, and prevent the growth of harmful bacteria, respectively. It is also a beneficial ingredient in relaxing baths, as well as in cleaning agents, as using as a cleaning agent around your home. Another one is the lemon oil. And a lot of people find the citrusy scent of the oil as a mood booster. It is also commonly used in cleaning products around the home. Lemon oil can help to reduce anxiety and depression, reduce pain, ease nausea, kills bacteria. A study that was done said that aromatherapy of essential oils like lemon oil might improve the cognitive function of people with Alzheimer's disease. One quick note though, I want to say that the compounds found in the citrus oils can greatly increase the UV sensitivity. And so it is best to include these oils in your nighttime routine. If you must use it during the daytime, then you want to apply to areas of the body that you will cover up. So those parts will not be in direct contact with the sunlight. Eucalyptus oil is one of those you want to have on hand when you're approaching the cold season, just because it helps to soothe a stuffed up nose. It does this by opening your nasal passages to help you breathe easier. It helps to relieve pain. It helps to fight against the herpes simplex virus because of its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Now this one, the frankincense oil, is known as the king of oils. This one, and I never thought about it before, but the kings of oils, now I could get into something with that. But it can help with inflammation, mood, and sleep. Studies have shown that it can also improve asthma and it might prevent gum disease. It can help to tone the skin and keep it in good condition, as well as fighting against common skin disorders like acne and eczema. The anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties in frankincense oil will help soothe and any redness and destroy bacteria. It also has astringent qualities that help tighten the skin and reduce any acne scars that you may be left with. It has excellent antiseptic properties and is a good oil to add to your oral hygiene. It can help to keep your mouth staying fresh and staying clean of infection. You can gargle daily with a few drops of the oil in a glass of water to fight tooth infections and to help prevent gum disease. You can also add a drop to some baking soda to use for brushing your teeth. It is one of the oils that can help to eliminate the respiratory problems that come along with a common cold or flu. It can help to eliminate the buildup of phlegm in your lungs and reduce inflammation of the airways, helping you to breathe easier. And you can simply inhale the oil from the bottle, or you can add a few drops to your handkerchief. You can also add it to a bowl of hot water and inhale its vapors. And you can combine this one, the frankincense oil, if you're doing this method. You can combine it with peppermint and eucalyptus oil for an even greater effect. Now, like many other essential oils, frankincense can be used by women who are affected by menstruation problems and menopause. The oil can help to restore hormonal balance and can be used to relieve symptoms such as cramps, bloating, headaches, mood swings, and anxiety. For menopausal women, frankincense can offer plenty of respite, including the ability to regulate the production of estrogen and can also protect against the development of ovarian cysts. It is also used as a household cleaner because of its excellent antiseptic abilities. So, how do we use these essential oils for maximum health benefits? Well, first and foremost, you do not want to ingest essential oils unless you're advised to do so by a practitioner who is qualified to prescribe the essential oils in this way. You can inhale essential oils for no longer than 15 to 20 minutes, when you're doing your steam inhalation. You can diffuse your essential oils for 30 to 60 minutes on and then 30 to 60 minutes off. This is not just safer, but it's also more effective as both our bodies and our nervous system habituate to essential oils after this period of time. Whenever you are using or diffusing essential oils, it is necessary to have some air exchange going on. If you're using it on your skin, you want to apply it in a carrier, add that to some carrier oil or your favorite body lotion. You can also add them to your body wash and your shampoos. In choosing the oils, you want to do your research. You want to ensure that the oils you're choosing are of the highest quality. So check your labels. You want to look for things such as, the Latin name of the plant, the name of the country where the plants were grown, a statement about the purity of the oil. You certainly don't want oils with pesticides and all those things in there. And you want to avoid those with synthetic ingredients. You want to avoid oils with the word fragrance because these may include synthetic ingredients. And importantly, you want to store your oils in a cool, dry place, of course, keeping them away from your children, small child, or your pets. And also keep in mind that these oils have an expiration date. So as I was looking at this essential topic, I did visit everydayhealth.com, clevelandclinic.org, healthyfocus.org, healthline.com, hopkinsmedicine.org, new directions aromatics.com, and tisserandinstitute.org. I do hope that this information, folks will find essential. I thank you for listening.
Well, thank you so much, Sister Avia. You mentioned that essential oils can be very expensive, and absolutely they can.
Yeah.
But I want our viewers to know that you can make your own.
You
Go
can.
to, I don't want to promote anything to say Google University. Yeah, everything is out there. You can plant your herbs and plant your thing and make your own oils. that's then you know that it's pure when you make it
Pure.
yourself. But they're absolutely, oils
Yeah.
are absolutely essential to us.
Mhm.
Have you used essential oil in your healing? Let us know in the comment below. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will know when a new health nugget is available. Thank you for watching and see you on the next health nugget.